Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrap It on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday using my December kit. It's Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. Here is the inspiration piece that I created, and then I'm going to go right into my live, and then I'm going to go to my voiceover.
All right, I'm coming to you live before I go into creating this layout and doing the voiceover. I thought I would briefly go over layout number 2 that I am creating with my Mini Kit Monday kit. And I am using the W of winter to document weather photographs, using the paper for Winter Green Dream and Ice Blue and Robin Egg Blue paper. And then, of course, some of my embellishments that I'm bringing in have those same colors. And then my product focus is going to be wood veneer. Yes, only one, I know. And a tool, which is going to be my circle die cutting system that I've had for ages from Creative Memories. And then I have a stamp from Close to My Heart here, and I'm thinking about stamping out this flower and coloring it in, or I already know what my title is going to be, but I don't know, maybe I'll make a subtitle. Who knows? But anyway, or I'm going to stamp the house. I'm really not sure. This part, I don't know. I just know my papers, my title, and because I'm documenting 3 photographs, I am just going to do a grid right across the middle of my layout. And this should come together fairly quickly, other than what I'm going to decide about my stamping. Oh, and I have some sequins out. And then, ooh, I forgot about this. I've had these little pearls in my stash for a long time, and I thought it would be perfect to use it on this layout as well. All right, I'm going to pause and cut up my papers, and then we'll start assembling this layout. All right?
All right, I cut off the branding strip from the polka dot paper, and I'm going to show you the collection it came from again. Then, like I said before, I used my Creative Memory circle cutting system and cut out the circle using the Hello Winter, the one that has the coffee, but the opposite side is a stripe. Then that herringbone pattern paper from Hello Winter, I cut that piece of paper there, 11 by 5.5. I'm getting out my distress tool to lightly distress, just to add a little bit more texture so that my layout's not flat, or my layers of paper are not all flat looking. And then it also helps define the different layers when you are layering paper on top of paper. And you can do that distressing your paper, adding foam dots, inking the edges, anything that you can come up creatively, adding washi tape, just all kinds of methods that you can use. All right, I'm going to lay that across my 12 by 12 sheet of paper and kind of in the center. And I'm going to line up my 3 photographs. I know you're dying to hear the story, right, of my photographs. I always have a story to tell. All right, this early December of 2018, I dropped my little guy off at school, got to work, started working, and in about an hour, I got this urgent call from the school that all the parents needed to leave to come pick up their children. The buses were not taking them home, and we needed to come pick them up. And I called after school care to see if they would be taking the children, and they informed me that that storm was already hitting the area, the snowfall, the storm. And I thought, what storm? I heard the storm was coming that night, in the middle of the night. But anyway, and I'm looking outside my work window thinking everybody is absolutely crazy. They have lost their mind. It wasn't raining. It was not snowing. Well, I get 5 miles down the road, and that first photograph that you see that looks like rain, that is sleet. I get another 5 miles down the road. I'm about 2 more miles away from the school, and snow is on the ground. Then I pick up my little guy, and I get 5 more miles down the road to our home, and you can't see the road. And that is the last photograph. So they weren't crazy. So anyway, back to my layout. All right, that word die cut that says journey, that is from Felicity Jane. The die cut tab at the top is the polka dot, navy blue polka dot. Let's get it out straight, Dolly, not backwards. So anyway, that is from Felicity Jane. That wood veneer, of course, has been in my stash for many, many years. When 2Ps were around, the wood veneer was a craze, and I mean, I got every wood veneer you could think of. So it has been in my stash for a long time. All right, I am deciding the length of these pearls that I'm going to place and the location, and I am happy with the location there. I have that 3x4 card with the bicycle that has nothing to do with this layout, other than you could say, I wish it wasn't snowing, it was springtime, and I want to be riding my bike, I guess, right? And now I am trying to decide on the location of the snowflakes that I am using on this layout to represent the snow that is falling. And I have one that is a puffy sticker, actually two. One is that navy blue one that you see me moving around now to try to find the location. I have these brad snowflakes that have a felt material on them. I love, love, love these. I've never found them again, and I have hoarded these last three ones for probably about 5 years, and finally decided, Dolly, that's why you buy them, is to use them and let yourself enjoy them later on, and anyone else that looks in your album. But I love them because I am a touchy-feely person. I'm a hugger, and I like to touch my layouts, and I love to touch that felt on top of those brad snowflakes. Awesome. All right, I got out my close to my heart stamp that is called BU Day to Day. And if you're looking for that stamp, it is A1220. I am a close to my heart consultant. I will have my contact information listed below. All right, I did use a few sequins, and I am securing them down using my Scotch wet glue. I think it's Scotch wet tacky glue. And I've so far not have had a problem of my sequins falling off using that. There are several different types of products that you can use to secure sequins. Sometimes I even use those little dots, you call them, or glue dots. I go back and forth. All right, this layout is complete. Be sure to check out the other ladies' links, Mini Kit Monday ladies links listed below. Plus, they are listed over on our Facebook group site, and I will have the link to our Facebook group site below so that you can play along with us as well. We have like 700 plus ladies. I can't believe it. And we just started the Facebook group in April. All right. So snap a photograph of your kit, and then snap a photograph of 4 layouts that you have completed for the month of December. You will be entered in to possibly win a curated kit from me, Dolly. I'm the host. I'm the Mini Kit Monday host for the month of December. All right. Thank you for joining us, and hit the thumbs up button, be a subscriber, get out those photographs, document your memories in a fun, creative way, and we'll see you again. Bye.